Try to figure out who I am.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my morning cleaning routine. Now this is a typical morning for me. Usually I'll just have a few dishes in the sink, some laundry that needs to be folded and or started in the washing machine, and I'll also have a little bit of tidying that needs to be done in the kitchen as well. Of course I have mornings where it looks way worse than this. It's a total disaster because I was tired the night before and I didn't do anything. And then there's some mornings where I do really good in the afternoon and I have like nothing to do in the morning, but this is my typical morning that I'm looking at. As long as I kind of kept up with things the day before, I didn't have anything too crazy going on. So on this particular morning, I did start by starting a load of laundry, moving on to the dishes, and then going on to get a little bit of laundry folded and put away.
Sometimes I can't breathe, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're the one who saves me, the one who saves me.
I'm trying my best to hold on. It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you. And the days don't work out the way I thought they would. And before you, there was no one who understood. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try, but don't succeed. Yeah, it feels like you're.
So typically my morning routine lasts anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes, and I do usually get interrupted by my girls quite a few times. You guys will see in a moment my 2-year-old hurt herself, so I had to console her here, and then at one point she almost got her hand closed in the dishwasher, but you know how it is, life with toddlers is never a dull moment. I'll give you my everything. It's not much, but it's all I have.
You know we could run to a place where we belong, but I need you there with me to go on. Sometimes I can't see, but it feels like you're the one who saves me. When I try.
This is a bag of items I had found when I was decluttering another area of the house, and it was leftover stickers and some magnets. I was making a project for the girls probably last year sometime, and all this was what was left over, so I was able to go ahead and give them these stickers to play with, and that helped keep them occupied for the rest of the cleaning routine, which was so I was so grateful for, because they love stickers and I just let them go ham with all of these stickers, and that was able to allow me to do most of my routine without too much interruption. And on this particular day my routine ended up being about 45 minutes.
I did a lot of bad things, and never did I give in. Just 'cause the thought of being vulnerable made me feel less than I am. I have never felt home till you entered my door. You
so I have that laundry going, but this is basically how I end up leaving it in the morning. I love to just get my island cleaned off. I didn't wipe it down today because I wiped it off last night. This is almost always a mess, so that's something I'm working on getting organized. But yeah, this is how it usually looks in the mornings after I do my little routine. I just put their water cups right here because they're probably not done drinking them, but I want to get them off the island. I didn't have to sweep in here because they didn't eat a crumbly breakfast. If they eat a crumbly breakfast, usually I will do a quick tidy in there. But that is it for the kitchen. And depending on the day, I love to just move right in and do any laundry that I have that needs to be done. But it always depends on the day if I'm gonna have time to do that or not. You guys have been around my channel for any length of time, you know I love to sort my laundry out by bath towels, dish towels, and then my husband and I's hanging clothes and clothes that go in our drawer, and then my daughter's clothes. Some days the living room is clean when I wake up in the morning because I did tidy it at night. So you guys will see if you have a morning and nighttime routine, then you know, but these kind of go hand in hand. If you did your night routine the day before, you know, a more detailed night routine the night before, then you won't have as much in your morning routine the next day. It just depends. Some things kind of overflow on each other. My nighttime routine is very sporadic. My morning routine is pretty set in stone because I just wake up and do the same thing every day. The nighttime routine, it all depends on how tired I am. Usually it's like, if I did a lot that day, I may not do my nighttime routine because I'm like, oh, I accomplished a lot today, but I'm also really tired. So it's very sporadic with the nighttime routine. So I'll probably make that for you guys in the future, but it's a little bit different because it's not always the same every day, whereas my morning routine is pretty much the same. At the very minimum, I'll always get my dishes done and the kitchen at least somewhat tidied. And I just started watching Switched at Birth. Have you guys seen this show? It's on Hulu. So far, it is so good. I'm like 5 episodes in. And Mom Life, I watch them in like 10-minute segments, you know? But the other day I was folding a bunch of laundry and I watched like 3 episodes in a row while my girls were napping and I was doing laundry, and it's such a good show.
Take just one kiss, 'cause here in your arms I can finally let go the rest of the world.
A lot of times with my laundry also, I will get, you guys may have seen, but I'll get like my husband and I's clothes done and the towels done, and then I won't get around to my daughter's until like a day or two later or later that afternoon. So I do like sorting it for that reason as well, because I know if I don't get everything done, my husband and I will at least have our clothes, so my husband won't be looking for something, you know, for work the next morning, looking for a shirt that he wants to wear and not be able to find it.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
Anyway, so it helps me to kind of just prioritize what I'm gonna get done, and if I get little interruptions and I can't finish, then, you know, at least I got the most important clothes done because my husband has to go to work and my girls are just playing around the house.
Just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light. Just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? stronger than me.
A couple of these towels still felt a little damp, so I went and threw them in the dryer, and then the wash only had 2 minutes left, so I went ahead and switched the wash once that finished as well.
Darling, go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine. Darling, go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. It's like we're running in circles, going around every day, getting stuck in the hurdles of yesterday. Don't you wanna go further?
Alright, so you guys can see firsthand why I never get around to my daughter's laundry almost ever when I'm doing this. Gotta go entertain them. So this is gonna be it for my morning routine. And thank you guys for watching. I'll catch y'all in the next one. Bye.